Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Legal Explorer. As an advocate, I always believe that people must know their rights clearly, especially when it comes to the maintenance rights after marriage and divorce. Recently, Kerala High Court delivered a very important and very interesting judgment that every woman, every husband, and every citizen must know. So, here the most important key point in this judgment is what? Even if a wife signs an agreement giving up her right of maintenance, even though she can still claim maintenance under law, such agreement has no value and it is not legally valid. So, without wasting the time, I'll go straight away into the case. Actually, what happened in this case? See, a woman got divorced from her husband in the year 2018. She alleged that during her marriage, she faced harassment for gold and money, which later turned into domestic violence. So, after divorce, she had no income to survive and approached the court under Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. In short, it is known as DV Act, as everyone knows. She asked for interim maintenance. Interim maintenance is nothing but temporary financial support from her ex husband, who was earning over 15 lakhs per month. The husband argued. Now we listen to the arguments of the husband. The husband argued that the woman had already waived her right to maintenance through a notarized agreement in the year 2017. He also claimed she was running a yoga center and earning rupees 2 lakhs per month. So what did the magistrate and the session court say? The court rejected the husband's claim about her income. It found that the agreement waiving maintenance was not a valid. Yes or no? Obviously. Who knows, the husband may threaten her. That's the reason she has signed such agreement. Keep it aside. So therefore, the magistrate ordered him to pay her rupees 30,000 per month as an interim maintenance. The husband challenged this order in the Kerala High Court. What did the Kerala High Court said? Justice A. Badruddin gave a very strong and clear judgment. He said maintenance is a legal right. That means what? A wife's right to claim maintenance is protected by law. It cannot be taken away by any private agreement, even if both husband and wife sign it. Next, the court said agreements waiving maintenance are invalid. If a wife signs an agreement saying, I don't want maintenance, that document has no value in law. Such agreements are opposed to the public policy and cannot stop a woman from asking maintenance later. And the court said, duty to maintain survives even after divorce. Even if the marriage has ended, maintenance rights will be survived. Next, the court said, a divorced wife can still seek maintenance if she is unable to maintain herself. And the court also said reasonable of interim maintenance. Means what? The court said that 30,000 per month was very reasonable and considering the man's high income and woman's needs. Therefore, the High Court upheld the lower court's order and refused to interfere. So, little bit, we'll go through some of our legal provisions as understanding the law. What? DV Act. See, under DV Act, DV Act is very important law in India to protect women who are victims of domestic violence. See, under DV Act, domestic violence includes what? Physical, mental, emotional or economic abuse, which includes what? Demands for dowry, financial cruelty. So, under DV Act, Section 20 says what? A woman can seek monetary reliefs, including maintenance, loss of earning, medical expenses, etc. And next section is Section 23 of DV Act. Section 23 of DV Act says what? A woman can ask for interim maintenance temporary intermittent is nothing but temporary financial help while the final decision is pending. So it is important to note down that even after divorce, a woman can use the DV Act to seek maintenance if she has suffered domestic violence during marriage. See, my important takeaway for everyone, the viewers, those who are watching, especially for the women, that never feel helpless if you are financially struggling even after divorce. The law protects you. Agreements asking you to give up maintenance cannot defeat your right. And for the husbands, I want to say that you cannot escape your statutory duty to maintain your wife or children by asking them to sign such agreement. And for society, I want to say that it's important to know that maintenance is a matter of public policy and protects the dignity, survival, and well-being of women and children. So in short, I want to conclude this video that no agreements can defeat a wife's legal right to claim maintenance under Domestic Violence Act even after divorce. The Kerala High Court has strongly upheld this important principle.